Welcome back to Asian Kitchen Paper. Today we are looking at Japanese favorite, Japanese curry. Let's go! First, finely slice up your onions. Don't forget your onion goggles. And stylishly press aside. Moving on to the carrots. Slice into little half moons. Mud chop. Roughly dice the potatoes. Many potatoes. Heat all in the pot. Get the onion in there. Saute a touch. Pre-cut meat bits, namely pork. Give it a stir. Carrot half moon time. Give them a mixy mix. And lastly, all of the potatoes. As per resident of the great northern land, Hokkaido, we ask that you use Hokkaido potatoes, like the gentleman. Fancy. Now to take the pot out of the flame and return with water. Lid on and simmer. Occasionally go fishing for scam. Now once everything is almost cooked through, give it a toss. And add in your curry roux. Plop, 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 plop. Bring everything down to a low heat. And melt them into water. Aroma roux in because health is what loses. Looking good. Get it nice and syrupy. And you can plate up. Get a good serve of white rice and a bad roll of curry. This is a basic recipe, so play around with the ingredients. I've heard you can put instant coffee in. Spin it back and taste test time. Itadakimasu. Tastes like childhood. Now you know the basics. I hope you have a go. Till next time.